Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. And today I did my first photo on canvas. And I was a little leery. I had no clue what I was doing, but I just went with my instinct. I bought some cheap, very cheap. I think these are 4x6. I think there's 5 in a pack for $1.99 at Hobby Lobby. And if you use their 40% coupon, it makes them really cheap. So this is what the canvas looked like. And then I painted it black, just one coat. The only black I had, I think any paint would work. I had some appliance paint, and it's kind of shiny, so I think you'd even be better off if you went with a matte or a flat paint. And I'm excited because this is cool. So here's the picture I brought in, and I'm just going to kind of show you how I did this. I went up to bitmaps, mode, and I changed it to grayscale. And it changed it to grayscale. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that picture. And then I sized it to 4x6, which is the size of the panel. So here's my grayscale. And then I went into Photograv and I selected the image and I selected the material, and there's no canvas, but since it's black, I went with, because your settings are going to change, it's just because it's black, and I went with black granite. And I ran Photograv and didn't do anything. I resized it. I left it at 300 dots per inch. I didn't change the size because I'd already sized it in Corel. And then I did the final process. And this is what it looks like. And it's kind of hard to believe that it engraves. Now, I have a 60-watt laser, and I ran this maybe a little hot because this right here has some slight yellow tint to it. I think the laser burned it. So my 60-watt laser, my first test, I ran at 100 speed and 75 power. I would probably run the next one at 100 speed and 50 power, or maybe 60 power. But this is a good start place to buy these canvas panels. I think there were 5 of them in a pack, and I think they were $1.99. And then when you could go from there, you could get the stretch canvas on wood and go from there. But if you don't have Photograv, I have a couple of videos out there on Photograv, and it's easy as can be, and it's just hard to believe that all Photograv is doing is laying down dots. So where the dots are hitting, it's taking the black paint off and replacing it with the canvas. And the canvas effect is kind of a cool effect. I'm going to start doing a lot of these. But anyway, hopefully that a little bit of help, and thank you for watching.